Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Kajing ab community jeng kipai ba ka than Maweit menyo ino ya ka Surok ka babaha kam Snem shu Hadien bu menteri rangba ka jala o konrat kongkal sangma hakalai pho trek unai luar arajar arpuar ulabu yu Mawnongrim nak benta bantai gani ka Surok ka bajrong arpulai kilometer degi hajar ngur kipai ba jeng than Maweit kila tu chagamadan jeng Saint Mary's Maweit parish ban sakhi gani ka ski ka ba kila ab community mentala jan san pho Snem yakni ka Surok lamang pisa haduk handai pupra klur tam lengba ka ski Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project balabai pisa ka World Bank badya ka ba ansapentre no haki hindiat banai kibanwan hak jingbu yu Mawnongrim la sakhilang du MLA jong Nongstan uba mang milan bersat u MLA ka motion road uba gigur murthong u MDC ka ramprai uba bajop pingrop ki officer jong West Khas Hills District bad ki pajba
I understand that this area has been neglected for a very long time. But I assure you that this NPP-led government has done everything in its power to bring maximum development to this area. Bajigur has just mentioned to me that the upgradation of the PHC to CHC is one of the most important, after this road, the most important development that is required in this area. And hence I'm happy to announce that we will take up the upgradation of the Maweit PHC to CHC in a very, very short time. Health has been a major area of importance for our government. We understand that a large number of the population suffer because proper health services are not available. And when the road connectivity is not there, it makes things even more difficult. And hence, to ensure that the overall health services improve in this area, we will go ahead with the upgradation. I will discuss in detail with the Honorable Health Minister. I will discuss it with the Honorable MLA. And we will ensure, step by step, drop by drop, we are able to take care and provide the necessary development to the people of this area, which, as I've mentioned, has been neglected and people have been deprived for a very, very long time. Friends, for this government, we have taken up many issues and many concerns that have been neglected for the past 5 decades. And hence in the last 5 years, minus the COVID, this government has stressed on ensuring that we invest the maximum on infrastructures like good roads. And I am happy to tell you that like the long-stowing Maweit road, which has been neglected for decades, like that, there are many, many roads which were neglected for decades in the state. Today, in these last 5 years as a government, this government has taken up those important roads. And work has started. Our Honorable MLA from Nongston had shared with you the different projects going on in the whole of West Khasi Hills. Hundreds and almost close to 1,000 crores of roads today are being constructed in West Khasi Hills as we speak. Whether PMGSY, the state has never seen the kind of implementation that has been done under PMGSY under any other government. Whether different roads on the national highway, which were stuck up for many, many reasons, were pushed and expedited and work is started in many national highway roads which were left neglected for many years. Maximum sanctions have come through CRF and RIDF during the tenure of this government. Maximum road infrastructure projects under state scheme have been taken up under this present government. We have given the highest priority in terms of infrastructure to road infrastructure. And today I am happy to see that this very, very old and neglected road will finally see the light of day. Opportunity to thank your local MLA Bajigur, who has been instrumental and the key factor for making this road possible. If it was not for Bajigur, I don't think this road would have come. As a government, we have many, many areas and many roads to construct. But it is the interest, it is the determination, it is the focus of the local MLA that leads to the success of different schemes from different state departments to come to the constituency. And hence, this road today here has come because of the tireless effort and work of your local MLA Bajigur. And on behalf of the people of his constituency and the entire district, I congratulate him. I thank him for his efforts. I congratulate him for the concern he has for his people. And I am sure that under his leadership, Mawnongrim constituency and Maweit area will see much more development in the days and years to come. I know that the Secretary of the Surok had mentioned many, many points, whether the connectivity to the Mawnongrim route subdivision. He mentioned about the internal roads to the PHC. He mentioned about the upgradation for the PHC to CHC, or at least to give 50-bedded hospital. He mentioned about the upgradation of sub-centers, setting up government primary, secondary schools, and many other issues that were brought up.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.